Welcome to the new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. This truck has a 6.2-liter V8 bolted up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a look at the interior of the new AT4, starting on your left-hand side, we have power folding mirrors, push-activated trailer and driving modes, automatic headlights and fog lights, heads-up display controls, leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, paddle shifters on the steering wheel, full digital gauge cluster, the heads-up display I previously mentioned. Moving right along, 13.4-inch touchscreen complete with Android Auto, Apple Carplay, and navigation. Push to start ignition. Dual zone climate control. The shifter is now in the center console. Integrated trailer braking, surround sound of Bose audio, as well as the new camera rear view mirror. Taking a look at the exterior of the new AT4, starting off the 18-inch wheels paired up with Goodyear Wrangler tires. Moving right along, color matched door handles, AT4 badge on the door, LED strip on the mirror, 6.2-liter V8 plaque on the fender. Coming around to the front, LED daytime and headlights, dual red recovery hooks, AT4 badge in the grille as well. And heading back down the side of the vehicle, this vehicle is remote start equipped. Blacked out accents around the windows. These are rear tinted privacy windows as well. Heading to the back of the truck, chrome tipped exhaust, chrome badging for Sierra and the AT4, as well as the rear towing package, and GM's MultiPro tailgate. Heading back inside the AT4, sliding rear window, in-seat storage. These seats come in a 60-40 split and are heated as well. Bose speakers all around like I previously mentioned. Controls for the heated seats, and dual USB ports. Thank you for watching this brief walk around on the new 2023 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4. If you have any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales department.